to stoop down to that level.
Obserbasyon ni Lotlot de Leon sa tuwing magkakaroon siya ng proyekto ay tungkol pa rin sa estado nila ng kanyang estranged husband ang inuusisa ng press. Tulad na lang sa press con ng bagong telenovela ng GMA na Koreana nitong Martes. Pero pasakali muna ang tanong kung ipupursige nga ba ng kanyang inang si Nora Honor ang asunto laban sa isang Japan-based clinic na nag-opera sa mukha nito.
I would like to believe that maayos pa kung ano man yung mga differences or kung ano man yung mga kailangan i-settle. With the rest, whatever she decides to do, hindi ko alam.
Dumako na ang interbyuhan tungkol sa kanila ni Ramon Christopher na ayon sa press ay tila naiipit sa pagitan nila Lotlot at ng inang si Pilita Corrales.
Matagal na siyang ipit eh. Hindi ba? But, nanay niya yun eh. Parang ako paglalaban ko din ang mami ko. Kahit saan ako makarating.
May masasakit na salita man daw ang nabitiwan sa alitang yon ng magbiyenan. One thing cannot be obliterated.
I still want to maintain whatever respect I still have. Because I have kids na kahit anong gawin ko ay apo niya. At kahit anong gawin niya ay mga anak ko. Kahit itaktak pa niya ng mga pabaliktad o ako din, itaktak ko ang sarili ko ng pabalik, hindi na magbabago yon.
Hindi na raw mahalaga kung ano ang sinasabi tungkol sa kung anong uri ng asawa at ina si Lotlot.
Kung gustong sabihin na masama akong ina, pabaya akong ina, that I abandoned my children, na gusto kong pumatol sa mayaman, na gusto kong mag-asawa ng may pera, sige. Sige na lang. Hindi ko naman kasi kailangan ipagtanggol ang sarili ko eh. Basta alam ng mga anak ko ang totoo, alam ko ang totoo. Sila ang napapagitnaan kasi ng lahat ng ito eh. Hindi ba? Sila yung nasasaktan dahil mahal nila kami. Mahal nila ang pamilya nila. Mahal ng mga anak ko ang lola nila. Mahal nila ako at mahal nila si Monchi.
Sa tingin ba ni Lotlot, mareresolba pa ba ang issue nilang magbiyenan?
There are so many things that have been said already about me eh, and none of them are true. What for? Wag na.
Natanggap ng Star Talk TX ang text ni Monching, and we quote, "Wag na, para matapos na yung issue na yan. Ayaw na rin ni Mommy. Thanks." Unquote.
Well, to save the world really is the reason.
His peaceful life threatened by a high-tech assassin, former CIA agent Frank Moses regroups his old team in a last-ditch effort to survive. Ito ang pelikulang Red, isang action comedy na bibigyang buhay ng isang all-star cast led by Bruce Willis and Academy Award-winning actor Morgan Freeman.
So Bruce, correct me if I'm wrong, I see bits of Die Hard in Red. What makes your character different from the Die Hard character, John McClane?
This film is about my character falling in love and kind of a romance occurs while I'm killing as many people as I can. Unlike Die Hard, where I just kill people just for really no reason, yeah.
What does it take to be a durable star? You've been there for more than 30 years. How do you maintain your stature, your health, your body?
I exercise. I just exercise and diet. Great diet.
Morgan, you're such a versatile actor. I'm curious, how do you usually prepare for a role? Any role?
Read the script.
Search or...
You just read it and do you know who that person is? Yeah.
What have you heard about the Philippines? You anything about the
I've
Philippines?
never been there, and I always wanted to
Yes,
go. I
yeah.
want to go to the Philippines. There's some wonderful sailing areas around those waters. And I'm a sailor. That's really.
Oh, you, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe you should sail to the Philippines one
I'd
of these
love to do
days.
that. I'd love to.
Kasama rin ang dalawang aktor sa Red, ang Golden Globe at Emmy Award-winning actress na si Mary Louise Parker, who plays the role of Bruce Willis's love interest.
What was your most unforgettable experience working on this film?
I got an alligator actually and put it in his trailer in a cooler, and John
This
Malkovich.
big?
It was like this big. It wasn't. Well, it was about like that. And John Malkovich told him we were all gonna have lunch in his trailer, and I was hiding in his shower, and he opened the cooler, and there was an alligator. Yeah.
This is showing October 15 in the Philippines. Could you invite your fans back in the Philippines to watch
want everybody from the Philippines to come out and see Red. And if you don't go see it, I'm coming down there.
Oh, you
I'm going to knock on your door. I'm going to go door to door and get everybody to come out.
You're welcome anytime.
Gabi Aiginman, Marco Alcaraz, Jana Dominguez, and Mosang. Endless Love. Anong dapat namin abangan itong last week ng Endless Love?
Maraming aabangan kasi since last 5 days na, dito natin makikita like, kasi yung character ni Maria na si Jenny, may sakit nga na leukemia. So, parang nalalapit na ang huling araw na nabubuhay si Jenny. So, sana po, panoorin po natin. Kasi sa original po, totoo pong pumanaw si Jenny. Pero dito po, makikita niyo po, kanya-kanyang twists ng characters, marireveal ito sa huling linggo ng Endless Love.
So, about, anong twist naman sa'yo, Jana?
Hindi po, alagaan ko po si Jay. May twist talaga sa akin. Lalaki po ako dito. Hindi, biro lang. Hindi, kung naiyak po kayo sa original version, Korean version, nako dito sa Pinoy version, nako mas lalo kayong iiyak ng bonggang-bongga.
So, iyak kami mo sa ano?
Opo. Iyak, luluha po kayo dito at dito makikita nyo, mabubuo yung love team namin ni Marco.
Marco. Kayong magka-love
At syempre
team.
dahil
Marks, ano yun? Marks Sang Love Team. Yung
Mark Sang Love Team. Opo.
Ganda,
Abangan niyo po,
no?
sobra po. Yung natitirang 5 araw po ng Endless Love.
5
Meron po
days,
kami
small
motion
shows,
sa Bikutan. At sa mga taga Beauty Mix Salon na pinapaganda ko. Thank you kasi tumututok yun sa Endless Love forever.
Yeah, so, bukas po, Sunday, may Grand Fans Day ang
Yes.
Endless Love. Lahat po ng cast, Lamarian, sila Dong, 5 p.m. po sa
5
SM
p.m.
Bikutan po yan.
Tsaka yung huwag niyo po kakalimutan, Volume 1 and 2 ng Endless Love DVD, lalabas na po yan sa
Oo,
Friday.
Kasi yung mga kaibigan namin sa ibang bansa,
Oo.
tsaka yung dito, pag
Yes.
hindi naaabot sa gabi, tumututok na lang sa YouTube. Ngayon po, meron ng
DVD po yan.
Hindi po. Papanood tuloy-tuloy, ano?
At sa inyong
So,
senior
Endless
yan.
Love, last week na, tuto kay dyan.
Correct.
At meanwhile, ito ang sa pool. Sa poll, may pakialam ba ang publiko sa love life ni Pangulong Noynoy Aquino? A, oo, B, hindi. Text na. Magbabalik ang Start Talk.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Totally exposed! Mark Hera, sangkot nga ba sa isang photo scandal?
Sa'yo, ano bang nakuha mo? Ano bang na-achieve mo? Sana lang next time, isipin mo muna yung ginagawa mong kalokohan